tea almost ready. Let's see. Whew, still hot. Still hot. Let it sit for about 5 more minutes. Ain't ready yet. It only been about 10 minutes. So man, today, excuse my voice. Every morning when I drink my teas, when I start drinking my teas, it start removing a lot of the mucus out of my, out of my lungs, my respiratory system. From years of smoking that good old griggity. Everybody who don't know me, man, I love me some weed, man, but I ain't smoke. Let's see, it's been about August? August was the last time I smoked, man. So it's January, not 2023. So it's been September, October, November, December, 4 months. Yeah, dog. But I always do that, I always start, because whenever I do start, man, I smoke like every day. You know what I'm saying? Damn near all day, every day. So I always take real long breaks. But this time I think I'm gonna take a real long break from it, to be honest with you, because I feel so much better. Mentally, physically. I feel overall just better, man. And especially once I started really incorporating, meditation in every day. I really just started being more focused on and more disciplined on, just my practices, my everyday practices like meditation, exercise, and working out. Making sure I drink my teas every day. Making sure I drink my teas every day, man. So, and of course, eating healthy. Making sure my diet is right. So, whenever I started, doing that more and being more disciplined with it, man, it's like I really started feeling like a more natural high, to be honest with you. Especially when I'm out here in Costa Rica. Yeah, dog. Man, whenever I'm out here, man, it's like a natural high being out here, man. So, that's not to say that I'm done with it forever, because I do still enjoy to smoke, you know what I'm saying? Even though I know it's just not the most healthiest thing. Not saying that marijuana is bad for you, but definitely I do believe that smoking is bad for you. So, I may start incorporating more teas, making more marijuana teas, and maybe oils, stuff like that. A more healthier way to consume it, But I still want to say I'm done with smoking forever, cause ain't nothing like that good griggity.